Hi everyone, welcome. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to cancel quickly the Resume Genius subscription. So to cancel it, follow these steps. Firstly, log in, visit the Resume Genius website and log in into your account. Access the account settings. After logging in, this option is usually found in the top right corner under your profile or username. Then go to subscription or billing, navigate to the subscription or billing section of your account and then cancel subscription. You can also refer to this official tutorial if you want on the official Resume Genius website. Make sure you receive an email or on-screen confirmation that your subscription has been cancelled. And if you're unable to find a cancellation option or encounter issues, you can also contact Resume Genius customer service via email or phone for assistance. So as you can see, the way they're writing here, simply log in into your account. So you can click on this link right here. It will take you to the official website and into the login page. Let's wait a bit. So as you can see, email and password, just insert them. After that, my account, upper right hand menu, modify your subscription, change your billing information and opt out of your periodic email distribution list. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to keep yourself posted when we release new videos. And I will see you very soon.